install the U-shaped steel on the main beam and place it on the beam